So let's start with Microsoft, Mr.
Okay.
Softy, MSFT. Microsoft is really one of my favorites, and I do believe that everyone should have some Microsoft in their portfolio, especially now, year to date, Microsoft down 17%. But that's why actually we call it the safe haven, because that's actually pretty good for a tech stock. It's selling decently. You know, it's not cheap, but it's not expensive. Everyone's eyes are going to be looking at are they still Microsoft building up the cloud at such a rapid pace? Is growth continuing to rise? So you might want to hold off buying Microsoft because it could come down pretty precipitously, and that might be a good entry point for you. Another one that will be having earnings next week is Amazon. Now there on July 28th, we're going to be, it's the same day as Apple actually, we're going to be looking at their supply chain and cost issues. I'm expecting poor guidance. That new CEO who came over from Amazon's web services section, he's got a lot more on his plate. Being a great techie, developing cloud software for clients is very different than running Amazon, which is really, you know, a retail and transportation operation. So everyone be careful there. I think we're going to see some continuing fall on Amazon. So now that I mentioned Apple, let me jump to Apple. What is it about Apple that I'm concerned about? I'm concerned because we're not going to see that exceptional hardware growth. It's just unsustainable. Hardware, I mean, Kevin, I mean iPhones, MacBooks, iPads. You know, can this business continue? Is Apple still going to be making $82 billion in sales for a quarter? And when you look at guidance and expectations, it's only going to be up 7.5%, then 5.5% growth. It's not double digits anymore. And Apple's trading, it's actually expensive. It's trading a lot higher than it used to trade. I just want to add real quick, Facebook is one on July 27th. Forget it, Facebook. You know, they have this, it's actually Meta, just so you know. Meta is the name of the company. And they're like focused on this uncertain meta universe, okay? I mean, It's very doubtful. There's clouds of uncertainty. Everyone be careful. Even Mark Zuckerberg himself at Facebook said he never saw this kind of slowdown, so stay away. Looks cheap, but internet advertising, the bloom is off the rose.